Mani Vijay Reddy.
Sir, the National Institute of Public Finance and Policy has recommended that the 4 key slab rate system of 5%, 12%, 18% and 28% can smoothly be replaced by three-tier slab system of 8, 15 and 30% without causing any loss of revenue to the exchequer. I would like to know from the Honorable Finance Minister what steps are being taken, whether such proposal is being accepted and whether it is advisable to accept such proposal or what is that being contemplated.
Thank you.
Very pertinent question as regards the GST rates. Although, of course, we are talking about the compensation in this question, I take this opportunity to inform Member Vijay Sai Reddy that the GST Council probably a year and a half ago, cursorily, it didn't go into depths, talked about the need for rate rationalization related discussions. So 3 rates, 4 rates to 2, 4 rates to 1, all that cursorily was mentioned that at some point in time we need to talk about it, because at the point in time when the GST was brought in, sir, very many factors determined as to why we wanted to have these 4 rates, 4 slabs and so on. And the revenue neutrality principle also required that we had 4 rates. But time has probably come, or the House also felt, I mean the GST Council also felt that this has to be taken up some point in time. And the revenue neutrality has been upset in some ways. At the same time, if you're talking of one tax, one nation, are 4 slabs required? Should there be 1 rate? This has been a question which, because of, I would presume, the pandemic and also the second wave and also the issues of compensation, the requirement for borrowing. So several such factors probably played in the minds of the council, and I'm not speaking for them, but I'm giving you a sense of what prevailed in the House, saying probably because we were attending to these things, the very required debate on rate rationalization has not even come up. That is where we are.
Thank you.